How to fix Picsart not working? Having trouble with Picsart not working? Here's a quick guide to fix common issues. First, check your internet connection as Picsart needs a stable connection for online features. Try refreshing the page or restarting the app to clear minor glitches. Clear the app's cache or browser cache depending on your usage. Make sure your app or browser is updated to the latest version for compatibility. If problem persists, reinstall Picsart or check the Picsart support page for updates. What's the most common issue you face with Picsart? Let us know in the comments below. Restarting your device can also resolve many temporary software conflicts. And that's how you can fix Picsart not working. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.